Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA lately, but I got a good one for you today. It's my own copycat rendition of the Taco Bell's Mexican pizza. I know it is like a fan favorite, and the issue is that they keep bringing it and then they take it right back away. So I kind of just thought of this in my head on how to make it. And so step by step, I was kind of going through the process and trying to figure out, what would the ingredients be. And so I'm going to give it to you today. And so let's go to my kitchen so that I can give you a step-by-step on how to make this yourself at home. All right, let's go. Mexican pizza at home. So first you're going to take some flour tortillas and you're going to put them to fry one at a time. If not, they'll get stuck together. You're gonna get bubbles in the tortillas. I like to pop the bubbles with some tongs so that it flattens it out a little bit. Okay, so now that you have your two flour tortillas nice and crispy, you're going to stack them and layer them with your fixings just like they do at Taco Bell. I like to start with the beans because it's easy to spread first. And I'm just literally spreading the refried beans on top of one of the flour tortillas. Once I'm finished doing that, I like to just sprinkle a little bit of the ground meat that I have. It's seasoned with the Taco Bell seasoning, and I'm just sprinkling this on top. Okay, so now you got that layer, and then your last layer will be putting the other shell on top, like so. And then I have the mixture of the red sauce. I will show you what I use for that. It's just a can of diced tomatoes and a can of enchilada mild sauce mixed together with a little bit of Taco Bell seasoning. And I'm gonna put that on top. I like a lot of red sauce. And you want to just spread that evenly. Once that's done, you can sprinkle your cheese on top. And if you want chopped tomatoes, you can do that, but I typically don't because I have the chopped tomatoes in the red sauce. And so now you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 just until the cheese melts because everything else should be already warmed. So you're gonna put it on a baking pan or sheet and bake at 350 just until the cheese is melted, like I said. And there is your Mexican pizza. I actually changed my mind and did broil for a few minutes. so that it can go by faster. So change it from the 350 to just broil, just for like 5 minutes.